This is a large roller conveyor shot blasting machine, also known as a rust remover or sand blasting machine. The equipment shown in the video is mainly used for cleaning the surface of trailer chassis. Let's take a look at its operation process. The trailer chassis is placed on the feed roller conveyor, and the workpiece follows the movement of the roller conveyor into the shot blasting chamber. We can clearly see a large amount of rust and deposits on the chassis. After the inlet photoelectric detector transmits the model of the workpiece entering the chamber to the PLC system, the entire machine will start automatically. The shot blasters are precisely positioned according to the shape and size of the workpiece, ensuring that the steel shot covers all surfaces of the workpiece. After the steel shot hits the workpiece, it enters the abrasive circulation system. A screw conveyor, elevator, and top separator ensure that the clean steel shot can be reused. This reduces costs and protects the shot blaster, installation and operation. All dust generated during the shot blasting operation enters the dust collector. Our dust collector ensures a dust removal efficiency of greater than 99.5%, meeting emission standards. The clean chassis is conveyed out via roller conveyor, achieving a rust removal grade of SA 2.5 到 3.0, while also possessing a certain degree of surface roughness to improve surface adhesion. This is a complete roller conveyor shot blasting machine, capable of cleaning not only trailer chassis, but also steel structures, H-beams, steel pipes, and other work pieces. Contact us for more details.